Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making okra pepper soup.
First of all, cook our chicken. You have to cook this chicken. Over here. How is this thing connected?
Garlic powder, you can use any seasoning of your choice. So we are adding water.
So we need water to cook our chicken.
Because our pepper soup needs a lot of water.
Salt. Before we go and cook salt food. I'll add onions to it.
Onions is optional if you don't like. But I decide to add onions.
You can see that it's live chicken.
You can see it's live chicken.
Allow it to cook. Just see. Because later we'll see.
So we are going to allow this to cook because it's live chicken and that kind of strong chicken.
Add dry pepper. It's for soup, so you have to add pepper. But not too much. But there is a little picture from me.
So I have this okra in my freezer. How to add extra pepper soup spice. Who agree with me that live chicken tastes different than frozen chicken? You can always add water, that is why it's called pepper soup. The taste of live chicken, don't compare it with normal frozen chicken.
You can add more water if you want.
Our pepper soup is ready. I'm just adjusting it. So you can use this for swallow, any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.